Today I will be showing you how to make free photo edit. So first you go to IBIS Paint, which you don't have, you can download it. So you can see here I'm already make 3 of this, and now I will show you guys how to make one of your own. Click the plus and click import picture. Select any picture you want. Okay, click anything. I recommend this. Click cancel and click this layer. Click the camera, which is import picture, and you could download the blue screen in anywhere or something. For me, my father already downloaded it here. You see? Now but you won't be able to click the white the blue thing. But if you want, you can also. But I recommend the black one, the black bow tie. Now just adjust it to this. So now just click this and click the eye. Now click this and click color range and put it in the blue spot. Before you color, you have to do this and drag it into your taskbar. Okay, now click this clear layer and then click this, this, and then click the 4 arrow and adjust it into anything you want. You see? Now click the upper layer and click the plus again, and outline the person who you want to make as a free photo. Okay, and now click this and this and hide the person. Now click this, click the bucket and fill it. You see, and if you don't like it, you cannot pick it up here because it could not be the blue screen. Okay, so you see the bowl. If you don't like it, you can adjust it to anything you want. Oh. And there you have your free photo. You can print it or go to any shop or thing to print this picture or something. Thank you for watching my video.